Hi Sunraes, it's Serena Rae. In today's video, we are exploring Animal Kingdom Lodge. I will give you a tour of the Savanna view room with 2 queen-size beds. I will give you a look inside the main lobby, talk about the amenities Animal Kingdom Lodge has to offer, explore the many food options, as well as talk about the wildlife you will see from your Savanna view room. Now make sure you hit that like button on the way in, as well as the subscribe button, because as you know, those are 2 free ways you can support the channel. And a big shout out to Patreon for sponsoring this video. You can learn more about that at the very end. Now let's get started and explore this Savanna view room. When you first get to your room, you will use your magic band or your phone to enter. Once you enter, you'll see the room has the standard door latch. There are 2 queen-size beds inside the standard room, and the beds have the embellished headboards with built-in lighting, which it is very convenient for nighttime reading. There is a light switch near the bed with 4 settings: uplight, sconce, ceiling, and goodnight. The uplight feature controls the light on top of the headboard. The second feature is sconce. This light is located between the 2 queen-size beds. The third lighting control is the ceiling. This light helps to brighten the entire room. And the last lighting feature is the good night feature. This feature controls all of the lights. So instead of walking around the room to turn each light off, this feature does it all for you. So you can jump right into bed, get comfortable, and press the button to turn them all off. This feature, however, does not control the bathroom lighting. This room had a small table for you to use, which I really loved. Another thing that I loved was the spacious dresser that they provide. With 6 drawers, you and your guests have plenty of space to get comfortable and to feel at home. You can place endless amounts of merchandise or clothing inside. Because this room can hold up to 4 adults, you may wonder, where will all our luggage go? Well, with having raised frames on these beds, there's plenty of space underneath to place your suitcases. Now that I have showed you the spacious dresser and underneath your bed all the storage, there's additional storage in the closet next to the coffee machine and mini fridge. The closet is divided, so one side is an area where you can hang up all your clothing, and the other side has 3 shelves. At the very top shelf, there are extra blankets and pillows. The next shelf was empty, so it was used to hold my backpack with my camera equipment. The third shelf contained a safe to place your valuables for when you leave and head to the parks. And then underneath that shelf, you had an area where you were able to fit your luggage. So I took my carry-on luggage and put it in that open spot. I also placed a medium-sized reusable bag right next to it to show you how much space you actually have. I had additional space to throw another backpack on top of my carry-on luggage. So it was really, really good to bring that and to show you all the space you have. A coffee machine and ice bucket was provided inside the room. The refrigerator, however, is hidden underneath both these things. There is a drawer you can open that will let you see the refrigerator, and I was able to put my favorite zebra domes inside, as well as some bottles of water. And above this refrigerator is a drawer that pulls out, and it actually have coffee pods inside. And those coffee pods feature flavors like the 50th anniversary blend, as well as a French vanilla, all provided by Joffrey's Coffee, which you can find inside the theme parks. Alright Sunraes, let's explore the bathroom. This bathroom contained 1 large vanity mirror and 2 sinks. On the counter was some H2O minis, which is currently only available at the Disney Deluxe Resorts. The room had the vanity kit, some mouthwash, a shower cap, and the sea salt body lotion, which is one of my favorites. There was Lion King theming located inside the bathroom, as well as a shower and bathtub combo with additional shelving units above the toilet for additional storage. Full-size bottles of H2O was offered inside the shower, and it had a little shelving space to hold your shower toiletries. Now that we are done with the bathroom, let's head to the balcony. Now, when you step foot on the balcony, you will see the whole Savanna and all the animals it holds. There are barriers to block off your neighbor's balcony for some added privacy, and the most animals that I've saw were giraffes. They roamed around the Savanna the most. I also saw some zebras from the balcony as well, but they never got as close as the giraffes. Another thing I would like to note is that on different levels, there are public balconies for you to enjoy that give you different views of different animals. So that is something you can do as a guest at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Throughout the lobby, you are shown pieces of Africa and its culture. Through artifacts, artwork, and photographs, you're given the opportunity to fully understand and appreciate the country, along with its people and its animals. Now, as we head into the main lobby, I want to highlight something that doesn't always get highlighted. So in the ATM area, you have a Chase ATM, you have a mailbox, you have a fuel rod station, as well as a telephone. Now, I think it's really nice that you have a fuel rod station at this resort because you get unlimited refills once you pay a flat rate of $30 on your refill cartridge. You also have a cozy fireplace in the main lobby, which is really nice to snuggle up to. You have so many African art pieces throughout the main lobby, and it really makes you feel like you are staying on a savanna in Africa. Now, there's a bridge in this lobby which is absolutely breathtaking, and I'm going to take you on it a little later. But I also want to highlight that no matter where in this lobby you go and sit, you're going to see some of that culture put into this resort. You see different pieces in the coffee tables. You also see it on the floor, in the rugs, and inside the hardwood floors in this resort. And it's absolutely breathtaking. And I do recommend going to Animal Kingdom Lodge and taking your time and walking through the lobby. Now, the main lobby has some back doors that lead to another area where you can sit out and look upon the Savanna. There is a outdoor fire pit where you can enjoy the nighttime skies, and they have some cute little signage for you to learn about the animals you see on the Savanna. So this was really, really cool. And another thing I want to highlight is that they have cast members out talking to you about the animals. So we are going to have one of the cast members tell us a little bit about the birds on the Savanna.
Quiet out on the Savanna right now because a lot of our animals are what we call crepuscular. So they like early mornings, early evenings. Midday is a lot of napping and snacking. We do have some wildebeest just kind of hanging out over there. Pink-backed pelicans, they like this branched area. Sometimes the keepers will come out and throw them their fish.
Oh.
They're not very pink right now though, because they'll get that pink color during mating season.
Alright, here is an additional area where you can view the Savanna. Animal Kingdom Lodge has so many areas for you to sit, watch the Savanna, and take it all in. And that is one of my favorite things about this resort. Another cool thing is the bridge in the main lobby. It really makes you feel like you are going on an adventure. And I loved walking across it and just people watching. You get to see the whole lobby and you see people with their families, you see people relaxing, you see people going to their rooms, and it's really breathtaking just to be that high up looking down. Now it is time to talk about food. Victoria Falls is the bar in Animal Kingdom Lodge, and it is right above the Boma Buffet. Now, neither one, unfortunately, I was not able to try it, but I was able to go to the quick service, which I will highlight. Boma is priced at $29 for adults and it is open from 5 o'clock to 9:30. Now, when I was recording this video, this restaurant was not open, but it is currently open now. And I was able to eat at the Mara, which is the quick service located near the pool. Now, I was able to get my dinner at night when I was coming back from the park at the Mara. I got a flatbread, and for breakfast, I got bacon and a parfait. So I was able to eat there and I enjoyed it. I just wish there were the standard Coca-Cola Freestyle machines. One thing I liked about the pool area was that there was a bar as well as lockers. So as you can see, there were lockers for the guests to utilize if they were bringing extra things and you didn't want to leave your stuff on the side. So I thought that was a really cool feature. And the arcade was also open, which I thought was pretty cool as well, because for the longest, arcades were closed. And as you can see, it was very spacious, it wasn't crowded, and it's something really fun to do with kids on those resort days. The last thing I'm going to highlight is the gift shop, Zawadi. Now, Zawadi has custom pieces inside. A lot of them are handcrafted and created by African artists, and you can take a piece of Africa home with you. Another thing I like about the shop is that not only does it have Disney merchandise, but it also gives you the chance to get customizable things, like have an artist create your name in some cool like bubble letters. So that is also offered inside this shop, along with the Disney Parks merchandise. All right, Sunraes, this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the Animal Kingdom Lodge tour. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button on the way in, as well as the subscribe button, because those are 2 free ways you can support the channel. Also, share this video out and comment down below what was your favorite part of Animal Kingdom Lodge. Now, I'm gonna let you guys go because we have so many more adventures to take with each other. So, bye Sunraes, I'll see you on the next adventure. Now, I often get the question, what's the best way someone can support your channel? My answer is simple, join my Patreon. For as low as $3 a month, you can help fund informative yet entertaining videos and streams. Patreon allows me to do things like stay at the JW Marriott or try the latest restaurant on Walt Disney World property. The choices are endless, but I need your help to do these things. So please join Patreon today to help fund future travel content.